And this video is to say that you, Crystal and Candy, cannot trick me. Good morning. It is 1st of September. It's officially my month. I have 3 more days, which is today, tomorrow, the next day to work, and then on the 4th I'll be flying to Las Vegas. My birthday is the 5th. Did I budget for it? Kinda. But what happened? I spent it. So I have savings, but I don't want to touch my savings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my credit card and pay that back. Anyhow, I just want to start off the vlog by, welcome you to my channel. This is V-La-Nessa. It's been a very long time, maybe a month and 2 weeks since I've actually done a real vlog. The last video that I did is to tell you that I'm coming back, and here I am. So I did my hair. I don't really like it. Did the lashes. Don't really like it. Did my nails. Did it over. The first one I didn't like because the lady didn't buff it down properly and the design never as how the picture was. So I did it over. I have like a whole lot of new clothes and stuff for it. So kind of prepared, excited just to get away from work and just have a break. That's what I'm excited for. I need to request the day after my return because knowing them, they're going to schedule me to work the day after, and I know I'm going to be like super tired. I say tired, but tired from like being jet lagged and all that, because I was hoping that they give me like the evening off before the 5th, the 4th, but I'm working from 10 to 10:30 and then the flight in the morning, and I have to like get up, probably leave out like probably 4 o'clock in the morning just to reach 6 because boarding is 8. So it's gonna be a hectic day, but nevertheless I'm gonna take you with me. For all those who wished me happy birthday, thank you very much. My sister's birthday is the next day. I wish you could come, but she's going to Mexico, she said. So yeah, I don't know how well I'm gonna fix this here because I honestly don't like it. I actually put it up because of work, but let's see. I have so much bags under my eyes, like work is working me. I can't even sleep and I have anxiety and insomnia, so all of that, and I hope you saw the compilation. If not, you will. Oh god. Anyway, I'm just walking to work and I'll catch up back with you later. I have 2 more days left until my vacation. Yeah. Anyway, today was super busy at work. I went to work at 10 and I finished work at about 12. It was crazy busy. Today is the most money that anybody has ever made on a Sunday since I've been here, because Sunday is normally like a slow day, especially for the rooftop. And like Sunday is a good day, always a good day for me if I'm working in the restaurant, but outside venue, Sunday is not really a good day for me, especially upstairs. It was a very good day both in and out, and I'm grateful for that. And I must say happy birthday to me, because I pray that tomorrow go even better and then next day, so that I can close out the week, because I'm not going to work for the rest of the week. And yeah, I'm kind of excited that my vacation is coming. Kind of nervous because I don't want to spend too much money, and Vegas is one of those places that you spend a lot of money. And worse, as I said, I suspect that my sister, I don't know if it's two of them, but I suspect one of them are come because one bag of questions, so we may have to spend a whole lot more money, stuff that I plan to spend. My roommate is packing. I have like maybe just less than a week with her. I'm gonna miss her, not gonna lie. But it's gonna be so quiet. Yeah, but it is what it is, She is, because she's still here, a good roommate. Had me and I never have no fuss, no, well, we cuss, but good cuss. You get it? Yeah, so we had a lot of good times, not no long times. Yeah. So if she watch this, big up a nice clean stuff. Yeah, big up a nice clean stuff. I'm going to rest, watch a movie. It's like 1:08. I work at 10, but I'm used to this lifestyle. Yeah, so I'm gonna go watch a movie, relax my brain, and then go and sleep. And I'll pick up back with you tomorrow, maybe, because I work full day tomorrow. So let's see. Okay. Listen, I love this camera so much. The quality, even in the night, oh my god. I love it. 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 Anyway, toodles. Guys, so the cat is out of the bag. I know that both of my sisters is coming to Las Vegas. I know they're trying to surprise me because not even yesterday, today Candace sent me a whole suitcase with Jeremiah stuff, which is her son, my nephew stuff, saying that she's packing her suitcase, because the other day I was asking her, like, oh, you're just talking about your stuff and I don't see you're packing Jeremiah, and you're saying that Jeremiah is going to Mexico with you. So today, no, she sent me a suitcase full with clothes, with new clothes, with Jeremiah. And I said, oh, whatever. And I was so convinced, and I was like, okay, maybe, they're really going to Mexico for real. And then the other day, she was showing me all the stuff that she buy to go to Mexico, and she bought a shirt with Mexico on it. I'm like, okay, maybe she really is going to Mexico. And then my mom called me, and my mom was like, did Candy go on her vacation already? And I said, no, she's going on the 5th, right? And she has, like, mom said, oh, I hope she enjoy herself, blah 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 blah, trying to draw me away from the fact that she's coming. She knows that she's coming. Like, listen, you cannot trick me. You can't trick me.
You cannot trick me. You cannot trick me.
So now, I'm gonna act surprised, but I'm not really surprised. And I'm excited because we have not been in the same space. Like, three of us have not been in the same space since long time, probably over 10 years. Because I remember, I don't think it's 10 years. Maybe, I don't know, maybe maybe 7 years, something like that. Because the last time we were all at church together, maybe 5 years. I don't remember, but it's a long time. And yeah, a long time we not fight. Like, when they were there, they only slept there, I think, one night when we were in Jamaica. So we have really not spent time together as a sister. And we kind of did grow up, but we kind of never grew up together. And we always up on the phone. We always, like, anytime we want advice, we always like talk to one another. Them best friend kind of thing. Sisterly love, yeah, that is us. And I'm so excited. I wanted to save some money, and I didn't want to spend so much, but boy, I'm going to treat them. I'm going to treat them. And my sister's birthday is after mine, so mine is the 5th, hers is the 6th, so I'm going to treat her. So right now, I'm just going to come off of this and see if I can find a nice restaurant for her the night, something nice for her to do. Yeah. Well, anyway, I'm so excited. Oh, okay, so I know. They tried to convince me so much. It's just not working. So remember, I said before, I have one of them email on my phone, and the first time I saw she sent some money to my other sister, right? And when she sent the money to her sister, I'm like, well, she sent that much money to her for. And hold on, let me see if this mixes. Yeah, I'm turn off light. Oh, alright. Yeah, so when she transferred the whatever, I made the video, and they went and they watched the video, and she was calling back, and I said, oh, the reason why she sent the money is because she did owe her some money and blah blah. So, like, she tried to stray me from it. I was like, okay, very convincing, very convincing. So today, I was just there and I saw emails coming up, and as I said, I still have her email on my phone. And one of the email, because right now they would be checking in because they're flying on the 3rd and then reaching the 4th. and then we are flying on the 4th. So they're gonna book like a little hotel to spend like the night and so forth, and then I pick up go to the airport and pick them up. But they asked me for the address for the hotel. You see, this is how they might give it something because they might ask me question they're not supposed to ask if they never not come. You hear me? And since they might ask me question for me have to just send it go give them because we don't know. You get what I'm saying? So in the email that I got, that they got, I saw both of them name and it said to Las Vegas. Cat's out the bag. You can't tell me nothing. I don't know. Yeah. And this video is to say that you, Crystal and Candy, cannot trick me. Anyway, I can't wait to see you. Love you. Yes. Happy birthday, Candy, when you watch this. Or happy belated. I don't know when you're getting this. And you're going to get this camera. Not this camera, but the other one. So I hope you enjoy it. And we shall be vlogging together. Anyway, today was my last day until my birthday vacation. And just how that goes. Yeah, so today was my last day at work until next week again. Next week, I think Thursday is somewhere there about 1 week in Vegas, guys. 1 week, can you imagine 1 week? Yeah, so the good thing about this week is that even though I'm taking a week off, my pay is good because I got lucky one day. Yeah, I got lucky one day. So I'm not working, well, obviously because my flight is like in less than a couple hours because my flight is 6 a.m. in the morning, I think. Yeah, and I'm leaving out at 3. It is now 1:20. So I come in after I think 2:11 and I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother shower. You must shower. Not even gonna bother sleep. Just like a shower and just get ready. Relax a little bit and download some movies so I can watch it on the plane, because sometimes I like to, instead when the turbulence is high, I just like to watch movie or listen to music so I don't feel it that much. So I download some movie. I download about 5 just in case I don't like the 2. Yeah, I download 5. I should be able to watch 2 movies because I think the flight is 4 hours, and by the time I reach, it's like the clock I go reset because even though I'm leaving out 6 o'clock, the flight is 4 hours. I'm going to reach 10 o'clock because I think Vegas is 3 hours behind. Yeah. So, yeah, and guys, my sister thinks that she's slick. My sister posts status about Jeremiah going to school and all these things. That time we don't know, say, this girl pre-planned this. She don't know, say, yo, me not dumb. Me smart. You need to do better. You can't fool me. You guys cannot trick me. Anyway, it's gonna be a great time because I haven't spent time with them like this in a long while, and I'm excited. Lad, I don't know what you're gonna do, but maybe make some money or something, because I want to do the most and I don't want to spend the most, if you understand. I'm already started receiving gift. I just want to say thank you to that person who gave me gift. Yes. I said this before, normally when it comes on to my birthday, I normally get depressed because I feel like I am not where I think I should be at this age. And I talked about this last year. And this is why I'm doing the most on my birthday, because we know if I don't go anywhere, I'm going to be home crying, sulking, and just in a depressed mood, turning off, turn off the phone, not responding to no messages or anything like that. So here I am, up and out. Me and my roommate and my sister will be enjoying Vegas. That is if they show, because we just assume. Anyway, don't know Summer come. And guys, I just love this packetry. I love it. I literally love this pocket 3. Anyway, I'm just gonna do some final packing and just get dressed because might as well get dressed. Yeah. Anyway, I'm ready now. Ready. I may have 1 hour until the ride to come and pick me up. But the thing is, I don't want to sleep because I've been up from morning. I've been working from morning, and if I go and lie down, I go drop asleep. So that's when me get dressed and then me lie down and drop asleep and then they come and wake me up. Right? So let me show you the fit. So if I can show you from there. Look at that. And then my white Air Force as usual. So I got this on Fashion Nova. Yeah. So that's that. I want to take this off so don't mind that. Just make the edge lay down a little bit. But yeah, that's the fit. Something very casual and soft and comfortable. So yeah. Excited much. See you in Vegas. Twin. Nobody tells me. Thank you. She follow me because she see me I put on green. She go follow me with green. And then instead of she put on white, she put on black sneakers. That like a touch of white, just like how me have on white, that like a touch of black.
Then what I'm gonna separate. And we can buy syrup at Jamaica. Put one pancake mix and like one cereal and then I'm gonna put cheese in it. What else?
Rice.
And I can rice.
Because that alone at 10 pounds.
That alone go full of the carrier.
That alone at 10 pounds.
And by the Welsh side.
Back up all the way up. Now we go all the way down forward, all the way down, back, all the way down, all the way down. Watch that, think about your trash. All right. Many sources of pride, but you chose to know something today's flight.
Alicia, let me say,
One of you, I'll present to you a 1,000 point voucher. Wow! Yeah, it'll be our guest sitting in the seat that's got the yellow sticker on the tray table. This is lucky seat. So flip down your tray table and find yellow sticker says lucky seat. Hit the gun button, we gladly bring you a, you know what? Voucher. It's worth 1,000.
This is how you know you're in Vegas. Instead they have food, them up here casino.
Our Fox Red Car, South Las Vegas Boulevard, and Apple. When you return your cars, main entrance, straight ahead to the right, blue sign with our address, 8801 South Las Vegas Boulevard. Looks like the exit. Folks always pass or hesitate going through because of those spikes on the ground. Go straight in over the one-way spikes. Careful not to bump your head when you stand up. Thanks for using Fox. Enjoy, be safe, and remember to what?
Stay safe.
That's the #1 answer, but not the right answer.
Come back.
$800.
Oh, yeah.
Or return the key.
The fob key. Make sure you leave those fobs. It's once you leave, they will click it. Charge your card.
Don't forget.
Hi, nice to meet you.
It's just me. Where is Candy? Where is Candy?
It's just me.
Where is Candy?
Stop asking Candy.
Alright, we're gonna find him.
Yeah, let's go then. Let's see.
Choo. Open the door.
Let's see.
Choo. So why Candy out so and she deleted some? Where Candy there?
What?
Where is Candy?
Let's go. We'll see if Candy here. Vanessa, what you say? Candy's
Candy
here.
can't fool me. She can't fool me and Krista can't fool me.
Okay.
And Cool can't fool me. Well, I want to give her myself.
Hey.
Yes. No lady, I'm not born yesterday. No, she not didn't then born yesterday.
I'm going to be born tomorrow.
Yes, Kenneth. She got me disappointed, so why I can't say nothing?
Are you blind?
No, like, why is it like I have to point it down? Oh, you can move it. Oh, my bad.
That's what it's so. That's my camera.
Oh, okay.
Man, over here, hat come like a Jamaican.
Me say, when me come off my plane last time, I almost dead. 38 degrees in the night. My gosh, I need long sleeve in Lataya. Yeah? Smell nice in here, man. Lataya, look. No. Look at the back. Where you going? A VIP check-in? Why? What's
Hello.
Are you checking in?
Anyone?
Yeah.
Are we checking in? What's the last name? Oh, V-La-Nessa. Coming in from Georgia, huh? I was born in Georgia.
Nice. We're cousins.
You said Jamaica though.
Yeah, because we're cousins.
Okay. But you're in Georgia, not really Jamaica.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I was born, it was a long time ago. That's where I was born. So back in 82. I was born in Warner Robins, Macon. So, and it looks like you guys are coming in as a guest of one of our club members.
Yeah.
Do we know who the club member is?
Michael.
Is it a relative?
A friend.
A friend? Have you used their ownership since Hilton's come in?
No.
You haven't. Okay. This says you're in Pennsylvania. That's not you, right?
Pennsylvania?
Yeah. I'll change it. So Michael is a friend of yours, right? And it says 2 adults in a 2-bedroom, or did I see a third person?
Yeah, so it's 3 of us.
It's gonna be 3 of you. Okay, perfect. Let me update this, and then we'll go from there. You said you've never stayed here before?
Nope.
Have you stayed at any of the Hilton Grand Vacations or Diamond Internationals?
I don't think.
I've stayed at Hilton in the UK, but I don't think it's the same thing.
So this property here, we were an official Diamond International, and Hilton purchased us, making them the largest timeshare company with over 7,300 active resorts. In January, they acquired a whole nother timeshare as well. So your friend, he comes from the Hilton side of things. So you've probably never stayed at one of the Diamonds because they just opened these up to the Hiltons. We're all being renovated right now. Your friend probably got a discount for staying here too.
Yeah.
Because there's 3 properties in Vegas that came from the Diamond side, and they're all being renovated. So it's really cool. When you stay here instead of the owner, you get all of their benefits. Are you married, single?
Single.
Is everybody single and left their spouses at home, or just single? You're looking for. You're not Vegas single.
No, we're not Vegas.
Well, look at you. You're almost a Gemini. No. Yeah. No, never mind. Your IDs do these very different. Yeah, you're a Virgo. So your birthday is tomorrow.
I told you it was tomorrow.
All right. What do you guys have lined up? Do you have anything lined up
So we
at all?
have a lot. We have the Top of the World restaurant.
Okay.
Grand
Do you have
Canyon.
the reservations for that already?
Yes.
We used to have vouchers for that. I'll look and see if I have vouchers for that, because it's not a cheap.
We have a lot of, because we're here for 7 days, so we're trying to do as much as we
All
can.
right. Well, my name's Christina. You got my cell if you need anything. Okay. Thank you. You guys have fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The property nice though. Let's go right here so before we go back to the.
No, it's like 15 minutes now.
Listen to me. Then what?
Free parking, so.
Come on, you're too coward. Damn, this is a nice resort, man. Yeah, get you, of course. This is definitely not a photo though. This is a video. Alright, hold on a video me depan. Oh, I don't know if you're using the things. Come. I don't know if you use it.
Wow, we do have a beautiful pool.
And the kitchen. And the master suite. So for me, I feel in the crystal. It's in the core room here. So we have a jacuzzi, double sink, his and hers, big mirror. Damn. Nicole's room. Because I mean you're gonna share. And the view of the Grand Canyon and the pool and an extended balcony. I'm just joking. Then I'm outside thing there.
Really nice view.
I can cook.
You can cook. What would you cook?
Breakfast. We have a 1 bathroom. Ray.
Wow, that big man.
I don't have to wait until it takes 15 minutes to show up.
Talk too much.
I don't have to wait. This is a
Very classic there. Yeah. Come put on a suitcase then. Acha, you know, not to say he camera in my bag. And he bag them on my shoulder. Crystal, easy. And the pot outside, so outside too hot.
like it's not look close. It's not look like if it fly close enough.
You just gotta keep living, man. Livin.